Namaskaram. I am Bhanuja. I am currently pursuing my 12th standard in Isha Vidhya E-Road. ELDP program helped me to develop spirit of entrepreneurship in myself, and I learned a lot of business aspect through this program. Thank you.
Myself Mekhavarshaa. I am from Isha Vidhya School, Dharmaburi. I am studying 12th standard. I am from Bootcamp Group 2. And my experience in ELDP class was very good and interesting. I learned many things in ELDP class, like how to make business, and I got many ideas for my future goals. And I like to thank Moonshot team and our mentors who helped our teams. And I like to thank our teachers who gave me this great opportunity. Thank you, everyone.
Namaskaram. I am Sadhna and I am an alumni of Isha Vidhya. This ELDP program has been really a life-changing experience for me. I learned many things from this. For this, thanks to Moonshot team, my mentors, everyone. Thank you.
Namaskar. Our idea is village brand. We are going to bring villages from 19th century to 21st century. This is Ram's house, who is in Ebenard village. He has sons and a daughter. He is a potter. He sells his pottery to a middle person for ₹100. When it reaches the end customer, the cost of the pottery is ₹400. Once when he heard of it, he tried to search for some other ways to sell his products. Spend some money to learn how to use Amazon, and he started to sell his product in Amazon. But due to high commission, he couldn't get much profit. He came to hear of village brand. He started to use village brand portal through our guidance. We are also focusing on heritage, cultural heritage, natural heritage, and the products made in the village. So people can also find details about village product and its details about the village, its cleanliness, its safe, and also about the events, as we are focusing on cultural heritage. And they can also find details about accommodation. After getting the guidance, Ram started to use village brand portal and he started to make more profit. He also started to use technology. As his sons went for outer cities to earn money, after seeing Ram's growth, they came back to the village and they started to develop. One took care of tourism and another took care of events. This is our value proposition. Product and service which we are providing is branding. Pain relievers could be, they can get good revenue at the village, and grain creators will be, every villages can get profit in the single name. Customer profile, we are focusing on villagers, so their jobs must be weaving, pottery, crafts, agriculture. Gains and pains, they are facing issues like they couldn't reach potential market, so they can reach their potential market. This is our business model Canva. Our key partners are product sellers, product buyers, online shopping mart. Key activities, we are going to find villages which has rich prosperity and less revenue, and we are going to brand the village. Customer segment, we have two types of customers. Our first customers are villagers who sell their products. Second, customers who are buyers, they buy the products from the villagers. We are going to connect through them through our website and digital marketing. This is our product roadmap. For the first 3 months, we are going to start with 4 villages. Next, we are going to analyze and do some market research for the 4 villages. For next 3 months, we are going to develop brand for the villages. For next 6 months, we are going to provide them training on how to use third-party apps and how to develop their own portal. In upcoming years, we are going to help them by providing service on upcoming technologies, and we are going to add villages. This is our revenue model. We are going to take 10 to 15% commission on each sale. And in service and training, we plan to cost ₹10,000 as a package for 5 months. This is our competitive landscape. Our competitors are Amazon, TripAdvisor, OYO Rooms, government schemes, BookMyShow, and middle person. About events, village brand and BookMyShow is speaking, others are concentrating. Percentage of commission is low in village brand compared to others. Brand value is low for village brand at the beginning. This is our SWOT analysis. Strength we have is everything at one place, and the villages can make profit out of low commission. Our weaknesses, business operation in the beginning will be very tough as our brand name is not popular. Opportunities we have is potential of the villages were largely unexplored, so this could be a greatest market for us. Threat is challenging time of COVID may restrict visitors. This is our cost and investment. People cost, we need to have people from IT, software developing, and people for digital marketing. Capital and equipment, we need good quality PC cameras. Travel and logistic, we require 2 lakh. Total amount we require is 41 lakh. This is our market research. We talk with few people in villages of Ebenard, Hulati, Kadanad, Tuneri, and Kukal. We asked them, are you facing the same problem like Ram? 70% answered yes. We also asked them, have you tried to switch from offline to online? 60% answered yes, but everyone of them said that they couldn't succeed in that. This is our sales pitch. Through village brand, our customer can able to get away from the middle person. They can get reach globally, and new businesses will be started because of tourism, and they can also gain knowledge of technology. This is our market size. We took tea powder as a product. Criteria we are looking for is uniqueness, safety and cleanliness. Our TAM is for 100 villages, 14 crores. SAM is one for 70 villages, it is 1 crore 76 lakhs. So as we are focusing on 4 villages initially, 69 lakhs is our market size. Presentation was done by Bhanuja, Sadhna, Mekhavarshaa and our mentor Shashank Kanna. Thank you all.